Good morning, guys. In front of me is iPad Air 11, and let me show you how to set astronomic wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then mark wallpaper. So if you're in a different panel, just mark it here, click on plus icon to add new one, and now select astronomy. You can allow the location, and here you can choose any layout. So it can be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Earth detail, Moon, or Moon detail, whichever you prefer. So let me pick this one, click on add, then you can customize your home screen if you want to. So you can leave it this way, you can add color, make it gradient, or you can blur the main picture, however you prefer. Then mark done, and as you can see, it is set. So from now on, this brand new astronomic wallpaper is active on your device, on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.